Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm sure that you've all heard of BoxyCharm, that subscription that you get once a month and you get to test out cool new products. They send them to you. You get about 5 of them every month and it's about 21 bucks. So this month we have the Laura Lee Party Animal palette, and this palette is a very colorful palette. Now it did come with a sister palette when you buy it in the stores, and that's much more neutral and more shades that you can do every day. But I'm going to test it out today and see what we can do. So. Alright, now starting with It's a Party. It's that yellow shade, but really is like a lime green. Now, there is some fallout there, but I mean, that's pretty typical, right? There's going to be some fallout. Yeah, that's not too bad. Okay, so going right into the crease for that transition shade. And I'm not too crazy about the pigment on this. Then let's see here. I think I'm gonna go in with the color Karaoke. So this color right here. And using a antonym number 6. The last one I used was a Morphe R35. This is just like a good crease blending. So this one is a little bit more tapered at the end, a little stiffer, so I can get more control. So I'm just going to pack this kind of in the corner edge, almost at the same area that you would like go in with your cat eyeliner. Grab a little more. Now it seems like this color is pigmented if you pack it on, but as soon as you start moving it around, it really loses its color. So I'm not too happy about that. You see when I start tapping it, how it just kind of like, I don't know, it just like blends away. I mean, I guess that's what you want. You want it to blend away, but it needs to stay blue. I don't know. Okay, so bringing this. And then taking any flat eyeshadow packer brush, and I'm going to go in with this purpley shade that's hung over. This one right here. And I'm going to tap that right over the edge of the blue. Okay. And with the other side, I'm going to go in with the pink. That's bottoms up. This one right here. And I'm just going to hit the edge corner. I'm going to hit the line of that purple. And a little off to the edge, or off to the side. I can't speak when I do this. Then I'm just going to take a little bit of the orange. Really almost covering the pink. So you just want the little bit of pink sparkle coming out. I'm going to grab that It's a Party again and go right in that inner corner. And then grabbing that brush that has that blue, I'm just going to sharpen up that that line that goes through here. Okay, and blending it out. And you know what? I want to go in a little bit more with that yellowish greenish color, the Issa Party, because I just don't like how that looks. I'll just brighten it up a little. More defined brush. Yeah, with a smaller brush it goes much better. And then just kind of blend that line. Yeah. And I'm just going to blend this out, just kind of tapping the line, the transition lines. Flip it around. Okay. Throw a little bit more of that karaoke in the inner corner. Just dramatic blue in the corner. Alright, and then I'm just going to grab a little concealer and conceal under my eyes, since I didn't conceal under my eye before I did it. I just did a little foundation. So we're just going to grabbing the Morphe M459 brush. I'm just going to bring that here. Oh, I'm only doing one eye. So I'm just doing one eye so that, you know, it's not repetitive and you guys don't have to see me do foundation and concealer each time. Alright, so now I'm going in with bottoms up. I'm just going to put a little bit transition on the bottom. So going in with that pink, bottoms up. And I'm going to go in with a little bit of hungover. I'm just going to press that into my lash. I'm not too crazy about this color actually. It's not as pigmented as I would like it to be. And it feels like when you blend it out, it just kind of goes away into like a pinky color. So I'm actually going to go in with the karaoke instead. So karaoke. Yeah, dark, nice blue. It's like a nice royal blue. And I'm just going to press that and kind of bring it up too. Good. I'm just kind of blending that into that blue line as I go up. Alright. And taking It's a Party just to blend out that top a little bit more. I don't know about this this little mix of colors. Yeah, I don't know if I'm crazy about this palette, but we're working with it. I'm trying to warm this up just a little bit, but I don't know if that's going to ruin it. I'm going to try going in with this damage control, because that's what we need to do here, damage control. Okay? A little bit of this. Yeah, I don't know. I think that's as good as it's gonna get. So I'm gonna do some eyeliner, and we're just gonna do a nice wing eyeliner. And today I'm going to be using the Velour lashes in Girl You Crazy. Watch, I'll take them out of here. They're can't really see them in the box. Hello. Oh, they're so pretty. I really love these. Okay, so then I'm just going to take some mascara and blend my eyelashes into the Velour lashes. As you know, I like to do this at the end. I know a lot of people don't, but I do. Okay, so I'm going in and I'm just going to kind of blend them out and shake it. Okay, so I'm going to put a black liner in my waterline, and I'm using Feline by MAC. And just to blend that out, I'm going back in with my flat brush and blending it. Great. It's blending out nicely, right? Then I'm just going to go in and blend that black line out with bottoms up. Bottoms up right here. Okay, so there's the finished look, and I'm going to do the other eye off of camera, and I will be right back. Alright guys, that's it. So I did the other eye off of camera, and yes, as you can see, it's very colorful, like the palette, and you know, there's not much that you can do other than a colorful look. So this is what we did today, and you know, it wasn't too bad. Actually, it didn't come out too bad. It's still a little bit, you know, not my liking. But, and I don't like how all the colors blend. I don't like how the purple and the pink blend together. The blues are okay. The yellow is not very pigmented, and the orange is nice. So I really like the orange and the blues in the palette. But other than that, I'm just going to throw on a little bit of Smashbox liquid lipstick in the color Gotta Light. And let's see here, I'm just going to put this on. Make sure I'm in the camera view. This is such a pretty color. This is also one that they sent to me in BoxyCharm this month. So, or last month, August. So I'm really excited about this, you know, new subscription that I just got. Maybe I'll do a BoxyCharm for September as soon as I get it. Let me know if it's something that you guys want to see. And this is Enzo. He loves the camera. Don't you, Enzo? Don't you? Oh, yes. He's such a good boy. Yeah. You're making your debut? Saying hi to everybody? Oh, yes. A little baby. Oh, he's such a little hand. Say hi, Enzo. See you soon. See you guys soon. Subscribe. Subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.